Hello, everybody. Hey, another disclaimer for all of my subscribers. This is a run video on the toy RC, so if you have no interest in this, go and skip the video. Just give me a thumbs up on the way out for saving you some time. I think this is pretty decent. I'll go do a run video, and for what it is, I was pretty happy with the way the thing worked. So it's got a tremendous run time on it, and the range was really decent on it. I never did run it out of range, but I ran it as far as I cared to and never had a glitch with it. She's laughing at me. If you hurts me to laugh, Let's go and get started with the video. Okay, we're just going to give this a quick little test drive. I'm not expecting a whole lot of speed out of this, but we just want to see what kind of thing it's got for the grandkids or the kids. And here's the thing, on the bottom of the transmitter and on the bottom of the car, there's a screw holding the battery doors on there, so little curious kids can't get into it without a tool set. So we're going to get this all turned on and see what we have. Okay. I'll let my photographer put it on the ground. I can't quite get there yet. Now, this is just not proportional. So you turn it, and it's just a all or nothing. And you can turn it in little increments by just clicking the control, so it's not too difficult to me to control. And that's top speed, so I'm guessing, I don't know, 8 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour, somewhere along in there, maybe 7. It takes it a little while to get going. That's full speed. We'll go from a dead stop. And that sounds like about full speed, so it took it, I don't know, 20-25 feet. See if reverse works. Yep, reverse works fine. And it's not going to be too much for off-road. I'll see if it runs in the grass at all. It's just two-wheel drive, but considering. Yeah, I think I'm stuck. And my lawn is not highly manicured. So it's not for jumps and bumps and stuff, but if you just want to see if your kids or grandkids are interested in RC, it's an okay car to get started with, I think. If you're already into RC and you're curious, this uses a 6-volt nickel metal hydride battery, but if you wanted to, you can put a LiPo or a lithium ion that uses JST. You just have to be careful of the polarity because it's not polarized, so it'll go in either way. But you're going to be bumping it from 6 volts to 7.4, so you get a little more speed out of it once your kids get used to it. But that's for the people that are already into the hobby. For everybody else, just get it and drive it like it is. But it's real stable. It's got a little trim button on the bottom. I didn't have to do anything to it. So it's doing real well right out of the box. So there we go. I think that's probably about all the, well, I'll let my photographer pick it up. As you can, most of you already know, but I'm not real flexible in this thing. Anyway, just in time for the holidays, and if anybody's interested, I'll put a link to it from Amazon down below. Came beautifully packaged, and it came in a very short period of time. So if you check the availability of it, if you're interested, should show up in a day or two. So thanks for watching, and catch you guys down the road.